Alright guys, this is a Maverick 500 set to me for repair. And, I got to keying it up and I got to noticing that when I keyed, the lights were dimming out on it. So what's up with that? So I got to looking and had these two fuses there, 25 amps. And listen, you gotta get your power wires. This is some kind of plug. I don't even think it's near rated big enough. But power wires was your problem, man. So I put your proper fuse on there and extended your wires. Everything seems to be just fine. Input tune 1 2 1 2 1 2. Let's see, we're on low, we're on high. Input tune on high 1 2 1 2. Output reflex on high 1 2 1 2. 1000-watt slug, average power on high, worldwide 200. PP, radio drive, hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3, 400 PP. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3, 300 PP. But she's all fixed up for you, man. If you notice the lights ain't going out now when you key up. Yeah, I caught that real quick when I keyed up and the lights were going out and it was coming unkeyed. Worldwide, 400 peak, worldwide. She's good to go, man. There's your little Maverick 500 up and working again. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. You know who it is, 018 Tennessee Beavis. Catch you later. Bye bye.